How to add a spaces on Instagram caption. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to firstly go to the your notes app, and then you have to paste your text here. And so what you have to do is another step is you have to select all your text, and then you have to click on the copy. And when you copy it, then you have to open your Chrome browser and then search for the insta-space.org. You can see in my search bar. And when you type this, then you come to this website, and then you have to scroll bit down, and then you have to paste this text here. So you have to paste this text, and here you can see all my text is here. And if you want, and then you have to click on the convert it, and here you can see all your text. So you have to click on the copy text, and here the text is copied. And so what you have to do, and another step is you have to open your Instagram app, and then you have to select any of the posts that you want. You have to choose a post. So let's see, I am choosing a post, so I am choosing this post. So you have to click on this post, and when you click on this post, then you have to click on the next, and then you have to also again click on the next, and then here you can paste your caption. So here you can see this, there is a spaces, and then you have to click on the done. When you click on the done, then here what you have to is, here you can see when you click on the more, then in the caption of this post, then here you can see there is spaces. So that's basically that how you can post the spaces on Instagram caption. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.